Raita, curd, I just stay away, and that too in cold climate. I'll completely push that away itself. Hey guys, this is your Chetan and welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. Today I have dropped down to a place name called Tottada Mane. Tottada Mane in Kannada means farmhouse. So of course, whoever is in city life now, they can come weekends and they can have amazing food here and they can enjoy the nature. The entire inside feel is amazing. It's filled with coconut trees and some hot food, and they have a very short menu and all. As of now, maybe in future they might make menu bit big. This is a place where you can come with your families and friends and enjoy like anything, because they have some adventure games and all. So I really don't know much about this place, so let's go inside and speak to the owner itself. This is hidden treasure of Bangalore. Just look at the amazing view. It is something really like a farmhouse itself. If we have a own farmhouse, it will be in the same way. So this looks really amazing, and you can find a tree house also there with the small parties organized according to you people. And one more thing is that this kinds of places gives a fantastic feel, especially when it's raining. And today it's rainy day also, as well as a fantastic food is getting prepared in one more side. So I'm just waiting, and the owner is also preparing the food, so I don't want to disturb him. Once he is free, let him come and speak in front of camera. Till that time, let me sit and enjoy the nature. So here is Dyson. ಏನು ಸರ್, ಮನೆ ತೋಟದ ಮನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಇರಂಗೆ ಅದೇ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಇದು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 4 acres ಜಾಗ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ತೋಟ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಸರು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಈ ತರ ಹೆಸರು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರಿಂದ ತೋಟ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ತೋಟದ ಮನೆ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಇಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಸರ್? ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಜಾನ್ 2021 ಇಂದ. ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಇವಾಗ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು 4th ವೀಕ್ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಬಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಏನು ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್, ಸೊ ATV ಮತ್ತೆ ಐ ರೋಪ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್, ಲೋ ರೋಪ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್, ವಾಲ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜಿಪ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು. ಟ್ರಿಯೋಸು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಔಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಹೌಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಟ್ರೀ ಹೌಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 50 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಟರ್ಫ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಟೀಮ್ 6 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ 12 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್, ಕೇಜ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಔಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಗ ಸರ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಜಾನಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಈ ಇಯರ್ ಜಾನಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 types ಆಫ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? ಕರೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಮಟನ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಚಿಕನ್ ಕಬಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಸೊ ಮಟನ್ ಫ್ರೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕನ್ ಅಂತದ್ದು ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ನಾಟಿ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಚೈನೀಸ್? ನೋ ನೋ ನೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಚೈನೀಸ್ ಕ್ವಿಸಿನ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಾಟಿ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಅದಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಬೆಟರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೌ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಸರ್? ಸೊ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಸಂಡೇಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸಂಡೇ 100 to 120 ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ರೈಟ್ ರೈಟ್. After a long wait, here is final biryani has come down to the plate. It is really very hot. With that I have got 1 egg and raita is here. Of course you people know raita, curd, I just stay away and that too in cold climate, I'll completely push that away itself. I don't want to even keep in and around the plate also. It's really very hot. Let me have a first bite and tell you people how is this biryani. Wow, ghee taste is fantastic. Whatever the spices they have added, everything is perfect. Rice has cooked well. The mint flavor and garam masala taste is really very dominating, and they have used jirge sambar rice. Just look at this. It's not completely dry also, and it's not completely wet also. It's in medium condition. Wow, amazing taste. For this climate, the hot biryani is must and should. Let me try this mutton piece. It's really very hot, guys. The aroma is also like not so over that somewhere it's getting cooked and you can feel that. It's not like that. Once it comes to the plate, the aroma is just filling the nose, and this is being cooked in an open area, not in kitchen and all, and they haven't used something like gas and all. It's something wood cook. And here is hot kebab. Let me taste this later. Now it has become slightly okay condition from hot. Let me put this in biryani rice, give a mix, take a very big bite, because from that time I was taking very small bite because the rice is very hot. The mutton whatever they have selected, that is in next level. Slightly the fat has been mixed and sticked to the meat, and even the fat had got melted and got completely entered this rice. It's not something like they cook mutton separately and biryani separately. So that mutton fat, it has got melt and entered this rice. That is giving a next level of taste. Usually they cook this biryani rice, something we call it as kushka, separately, and mutton separately and chicken separately. They'll just place, if we place an order, they are gonna be putting that piece and giving us saying biryani, but that is not the actual biryani. This is the actual biryani. In a biryani, you'll be getting 4 big pieces. So I feel it's worth. I'll be mentioning the price and location in the description part. Let me try this kebab. Hot, guys. The chicken is really very soft and tender. The outside coating, it's crisp and slightly spiciness is more, and juiciness of the chicken is in next level. Anyhow guys, I have to finish all these things. If you people like this video, please do like, share and comment. If you people are not following me on Instagram, please do follow. I'll be mentioning the link in the description. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.